Tell me when we're on.
We're on, Kathy. Do you want you in the
Okay,
video
we're
too?
making a video of a spill on aisle 9 at a vendor event. We have a mess here. What? Oh, well, this part got soaked up by the Enviro Cloth, so we're halfway through it. So this is how to properly clean up a liquid large mess. We don't push and pull like we do with a paper towel. We take this and we lay it on top and we push down on it, which is allowing the microfiber to soak up what's there. And then when you pick it up, you see, it's getting clean. We come over here where there's more. This we can push over. We come over here, we get this, and we press down on it. Ooh, look at that. Look how full this is getting. How many ounces was this, Mrs. Oella?
Like 24.
24 ounces of fluid we are picking up with one powerful microfiber from Norwex. This is the power of Norwex. How many paper towels do we think this would have taken? Look at that. 24 ounces of fluid, and it's not dripping. There's a fly in my face. So now I'm just going to fold this over, and I'm going to keep doing it, and there we go. 24 ounces of fluid soaked up into this Enviro Cloth. Ta-da! It's like magic. It's why you need Norwex microfiber. Okay.